I just went on a killer bike ride. It was awesome, and I need some carbs in my life. So come with me and let's make some angel hair pasta with sausage and zucchini. So I have this vegan sausage that I'm gonna spice up with some fennel seed and cayenne pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and cook that till it's nice and golden brown, then set it aside. I'm also going to be cooking this angel hair pasta and setting it aside. This only takes 2 minutes to cook. I have some garlic and onions and I'm going to saute it, add my zucchini, a pinch of mushroom seasoning for flavor. A little goes a long way. And then I'm going to go ahead and add half a can of crushed tomatoes and 1 whole can of tomato sauce. And then go ahead and mix that up. I'm adding some oregano, some basil, a squirt of ketchup for sweetness, and some chili flakes. Add the sausage in, mix the pasta in, and there you go. You got yourself some delicious carbs.